Hello and welcome to Nan Loves Food. I am Ann here today with a Trader Joe's haul. They have some awesome new products for spring and I can't wait to share them with you. So we're going to start with the frozen food. These are blueberry lemon cream biscuits. I've never seen these before. I believe they are new. They are just a thaw and serve biscuit. So very excited to give that a try. We have the vegetable fried rice, which is a staple when we go to Trader Joe's. Another one of my favorites is the cheese and green chili tamales. So good. I'll just throw those in my Hot Logic and that makes a quick and easy lunch. I've never tried this one before. It's a bulgogi beef with fried rice and kimchi. That'll just be another lunch for me, quick and easy. And we have some authentic Indian bread. I'm not sure how this is different than naan, but definitely excited to give that a try. This is something I've been so excited to try since I first saw that Trader Joe's had it. So it's like smoked salmon, except it is smoked tuna and it's wild caught. So I cannot wait to try that one. I've never tried this either. It is a creamy polenta with spinach and carrots. I have to believe that's good. I have no idea what I'm going to serve it with. If you've got any suggestions for what we should have with that, leave them in the comments. The ready to bake mini croissants. So unlike the chocolate croissants, these you just pull right out of the freezer and they're ready to go. This is a brand new item, kosher spicy bread and butter pickle chips. The guy at the checkout said that these are amazing, so I can't wait to try those. Some pancetta, already cubed. That makes for a super easy. We're gonna saute that up and toss pasta with the prosciutto or with the pancetta. It'll be so good. The Smart Tenders plant-based chicken. We love the unexpected cheddar, but have not had this unexpected broccoli cheddar soup, so we'll give that a go. Parmesan cheese, that is going to go with the pancetta when we make pasta. Wild berry smoothie. Havarti with dill is one of my all-time favorites. And I thought the price was pretty reasonable on it. So that'll make good snacks. I've never tried their shawarma chicken thighs, but I love chicken thighs and we'll see if we like their shawarma. It's only $4.79 a pound, which felt really reasonable. And the ingredients looked pretty good. Overall, it does have natural flavors, but other than that, got a black bean and Monterey Jack cheese burrito. This is a staple at Trader Joe's for us. And I haven't tried this before. I don't know if it's new or not, but an oniony kale slaw kit. So it's got all the good veggies and then a caramelized onion Dijon vinaigrette to go inside. So these English peas, which are fresh, they're actually in the produce section at Trader Joe's. It's the only place I know of near me that I can buy fresh, like shelled peas. Those are going to be tossed with the pancetta and the Parmesan and pasta, and that will be a really delicious, super easy weeknight meal one night this week. These sprinkles walk into a sandwich cookie. Butter cookies filled with buttercream frosting and sprinkles. How could that possibly be bad? This is new at Trader Joe's, or at least back for the season, the watermelon cucumber cooler. I have plans to make adult beverages with this, probably add some vodka and some sparkling water, and I have a feeling that will be amazing. This is also a new one, I believe, at Trader Joe's, or relatively new. Never tried those before, but They should be pretty good. They are just made of peanut paste, corn, palm oil, and salt. I know that this is a snack that's pretty popular in Israel, so it's nice to be able to try things like that. This is also back. The synergistically seasoned popcorn, which is supposed to be tangy, salty, smoky, spicy. So, not tried that before. I do plan on doing a taste test. So if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you'll be notified when that taste test comes out. Because there are some of these things I've never had before, and I think it'd be fun to taste them with you guys. They also have this popcorn with herbs and spices. I bought this because I thought it was a cool bottle. It's got this strange like pour cap on it, but this is actually a half bottle of wine. So it's the 19 Crimes brand. The person checking me out warned me that first of all, this is 2 glasses of wine, not 1. So be aware, but also that it is 15% alcohol by volume, which is particularly high for wine. So excited to give that a go. It is just a red. They also had a white. I think this would be amazing for picnics or, you know, outings this summer. So excited to give that a try. I have been in a situation recently where I have been opening a bottle of wine and not getting through it before it needs to be tossed. So it's great to have this, and this was only $1.99. So really reasonable for 2 glasses of wine, $1 a glass. Got some crispy, crunchy okra. This entire bag is 1 serving, which is amazing. And the ingredients are okra, a little bit of rice bran, oil, and salt. I got this absolutely gorgeous pasta. Isn't that so pretty? I was told that this makes a lovely, like, summer pasta salad. So that's what I got it for. I'm just going to keep it on hand until we have a reason to make pasta salad, and then I'll use this stuff. My favorite, Elote corn chips. So good, highly addictive. So as I was looking through some of the items that Trader Joe's carries that you can't get elsewhere, I found that these gooseberries are actually a unique to Trader Joe's ingredient, at least in my area. I can't recall ever having had a gooseberry independent of like a pie or something. So I'm told that they're very tart. So we'll see with those. They had their pulled jackfruit and smoky barbecue sauce. This is brand new as well. I'm gonna put this in the taste test too. So this is a heat in the pouch and serve. There are 2 servings per container, which seems odd with 260 calories. So I don't know that I've ever had jackfruit. I know I've got a can in the cupboard from Trader Joe's that I've not tried. So we'll definitely give this a try in the taste test as well, because that's got to be interesting. Grab these for the Gizmo dog. I think they're just chicken. I don't know that there's anything else in there. Yep, dried chicken, that's the only ingredient, so I'm sure he'll love that. Rhubarb and strawberry soda is back. That is seasonal, so get it while they got it. Now these, everyone is absolutely raving about on the internet. So they are the JoJo's, which are Oreos, if you're not familiar with the Trader Joe's brands. They're very, very similar to an Oreo. But these are dipped in peanut butter and chocolate. So unfortunately, if you don't like calorie information, don't look now. But 1 cookie has 130 calories. So if you are watching your calories, these are probably not your friend, but I'm excited to try those. Grab some Carolina Gold barbecue sauce. We are officially coming upon barbecue season. I haven't had their brand, but I tend to love the gold barbecue sauces. Got some jardiniere, so to add to sandwiches, bowls, that sort of thing. I love having these on hand. Just give you that pop of heat and color and a little bit of tang. This item is new to me. I don't know if they've had it for a while and I just haven't seen it before, but this is fermented and crushed Calabrian chili peppers. So I have a feeling that that with pasta will be awesome. If you have any other ideas about what to do with this, let me know. But I love Calabrian chilies, and again, that's an ingredient that's not easy for me to find. Got some K-cups. I haven't had these before, but I love their French roast coffee, so I can't imagine those will be bad. And then finally, for my nephews, they have these gummy fruity candies. I've been told that these are really chewy, kind of like a dot, and they're also really sticky. But these have no artificial colors. They're using fruit juices for colors, which is excellent if you've got a kid who is sensitive to those, like my nephews are. So we got those. And then also these kind of knockoff Starburst, but again, they're using natural colors from fruit juices to color these. So that is all for this Trader Joe's haul. If you like this kind of video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed so you can catch that taste test when we release it later this week. Thanks so much for tuning in today. Bye.